Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you cooking with gas. Gas. You see it. Today, making old pork neck balls. I'm making my own marinade. The ingredients I'm using. Got the yellow pepper, orange pepper, red peppers, parsley, scallion, lime, ginger, green onion, jalapeno, garlic, and a yellow onion. I'm gonna use salt, pepper, allspice, some vinegar, and some browning. And then for my neck balls, I'm gonna give them a base coat with some accent light lorries, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I'm gonna let the marinade sit on them. So let me get this chopped up, blended up. I'll be back. As you can see, we got everything chopped up. Added some allspice, salt, pepper, a cap full of vinegar, 3 caps of olive oil. Go get it blended up. I'll be back. Now I'm gonna get my neck bones clean and trimmed up. Get this slice it out, I remove. I don't like it, so I remove it. I'll be back after I get these all clean and trimmed. Oh yeah, I forgot. One last touch. Add a little ketchup. Just a little. Pour the rest of this green sauce on there. Just get this mixed up, let it marinate 2 hours minimum. See, I got my neck bones seasoned up. Got the marinade on them. Now we're gonna let them sit. I got my neck bones out the refrigerator. I let them rest to get up to room temperature. Got my oven preheating to 275. I'm gonna start off at 275. After an hour, I'll switch to 300. After an hour, I'll switch to 325. Let it go for 30 minutes. Then I'll switch to 350. Let it go for the remaining 30 minutes. So total cook time, 3 hours. And I don't know, it depends on how they look. I might broil the top just to get them caramelized a little bit, but I might not have to. We'll see how it goes. Time to go in. Time to get these suckers in the oven. We'll go get them in there. We got a 275. And let them go for the first hour. Going in. 275 for you. Ooh, nice and toasted. Cook it low and slow. That way it'll be tender. Set time for 3 hours. Start. All right, I'll be back. You see, I got 7 minutes left in the cook. Neck bones look delicious. Look scrumptious. Yeah, you see it. Got the frijoles, the rice pilaf, which is delicious. And we got the Caribbean neck balls, chuck neck balls, which is tender, delicious. Look at it. I tell you, it's delicious. It's delicious. I mean, they fall off the bone. You just pull it with your fingers. Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Gas. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.